welcome back to my channel. It's Sum. Today I have a colorful look that I wanted to get done for you all. I hope you guys enjoy it. Everything will be listed down below, of course, for you. All of my coupon codes that I may have used or brands that I am affiliate with will be located down in the description box below. So sit back, relax, and let's get to the tutorial. Once again, I'm Summer. You can follow me on all my social medias at SummerDBeauty, and all the products will be listed down below. There you go. Okay, so you know how people like break their nails and then they gotta put on a little bandage just to pretend like they want to cover it or something? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna start doing my brows and stuff first. I hope everyone's been having a good day. So I really don't ever do like colorful looks like that anymore, especially like on my channel, but like I feel like I should switch it up a little bit. Guys, dang, I just dropped the beauty blender. How you just drop your beauty blender? How you drop your beauty blender? Okay, boom, I'm back with my brows on. Oh my god, look at my little nubby. So now that my brows are on and I'm back in the trap with my brows, I'm gonna get into these eyes. Priming the eyes with the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Cashew 365. It's really light and I want to do light so I can you know, do the colors as pigmented as possible. So I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards collaboration palette. This palette is so beautiful to me just because, like, okay, first of all, here's the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. It has like the velvet cover, which gets hella dirty and all the freaking time. I can't deal with that. But like this one is just like a nice like plastic cover, and it's just so nice, and the color is just pink. I love the color pink and with the gold details. These are my favorite colors, okay y'all? Like, so 14 shades in the palette. It's the same size as the other palettes that they've been coming out with. I'm gonna use this today because I want to get colorful with y'all, and let's see what my line can do. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take the color Brick Road. It's this yellow all over my crease, honey, and because it's such like a pigmented yellow or whatever, I'm just gonna dab it, you know. I'm just gonna dab it. So I'm gonna take that and dab that all over the crease. This pigmentation is crazy. Like, when have you ever seen a yellow this like poppy? Like, so next I'm taking the Supreme. I'm gonna deepen that crease up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna be taking, I believe, this really poppin' purple. Another one. Never mind, I'm taking Texas Made, this pink, the pretty pink. Like, I keep 3 brushes in my hand because that's like, you see how much I'm like switching back and forth. Now I'm taking the concealer and doing a little half cut crease. I'm doing the lighter concealer, the lighter one, darling. Hello! Okay, now that I have the crease cut, I'm going to be taking Texas Made and then putting this towards the inside of that cut crease part right there, just to like blend that concealer part out, like that, baby. Okay, boom, like I said, I do this. Taking an eyeshadow brush in the what? And I'm going to take this white shade called Headliner and put that all over the lid where there's no pink and purple. Okay, boom. So there's the eye look so far. Now I'm done with like the eyeshadow part, but I'm going to be taking some liquid white eyeliner. I'm just going to do like one of those like little like lines over the crease. I see all the girls on Instagram do it, so I'm gonna do it. Like always, I'm using my bad lashes from AA Collection Lashes. I have a code for that. These are the lashes I'm gonna be wearing, so I'm gonna go ahead and put glue on them. And hopefully this ties the look together. I keep messing up. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna rush through my face makeup just so I can get back to doing the eyes for y'all. So I'll do my face makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got my face makeup done or whatever. Once again, if you do not know how to do your foundation or you want to get beat like this girl right here, then I do have a foundation tutorial. All you gotta do is click the drop see more option downtown in the description box, and that is going to set you up with a link that says my foundation routine, and you click that. I'm gonna finish the rest of my eyes because, honey baby, we're not done. The yellow that we used when we started our eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and bring that down to the lower lash line. Oh, and makeup is not for me, I don't think. I'm just gonna attempt. Yes, boyfriend?
Yeah, think that's it. If we're not gonna be back, then what's the purpose? Nah, we can.
Babe, your girlfriend really good at makeup, bro.
No, let me see, babe.
This is what I did. So basically, I just took the colors that I used in my crease, the yellow, the orange, and the pink, and then I used a little bit of the purple under the waterline as well. I took some white eyeliner and I just did it over the bottom. It's not English, it's not. So now I'm gonna be taking some mascara and putting that on the bottom part of my lashes. This look went from OMG to like OMG. But for lips, I'm gonna be taking this brown lip liner. The lip color I'm gonna be using today is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. So I'm gonna do my hair really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so that's all for this tutorial using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Alyssa Edwards collaboration palette. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, don't forget to comment below. The foundation routine will be linked below as well. The hair details, the hair products, the makeup, the brushes, all that will be also listed in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.